Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Cub Cadet Mulching Kit 46 is probably one of the most sought-after mulching kits in the market for its superior performance and ease of use, turning your grass clippings into nutrient-rich fertilizer that nourishes your lawn, saving you time and money on fertilizers, and enhancing the overall health and appearance of your lawn. This video will provide an in-depth review of this mulching kit, covering its features, benefits, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your lawn care needs. Number 5. MaxPower 561544XB Mulching Blades. These commercial-grade mulching blades are designed for superior performance. They're perfect for keeping your lawn looking its best. It fits many 46-inch cut MTD, Cub Cadet, and Troy-built mowers. Check your owner's manual to ensure compatibility. These blades replace OEM numbers 742-04290X, 942-04290X, and 942-04361. They are a direct replacement for a seamless fit. Each blade measures 23 to 14 inches long and 2 to 12 inches wide. They're built to last and provide a clean cut. They feature a 6-point star center hole for secure attachment. They're manufactured to meet or exceed all OEM specifications. These blades come sharpened and powder-coated for protection. The coating will wear off during the first use, revealing a razor-sharp edge. What we like. These blades are built to withstand tough conditions. If you demand superior performance and longevity from your mulching kit, this is the one for you. Its commercial-grade build ensures it'll handle even the thickest grass with ease, season after season. What people say. They are thick, good and heavy, easy to install, and appear to be very sturdy. They are painted black in appearance. Great blades made in the USA, and I checked the balance and they are well balanced too. Worth the price, installed on my Troy-built 46 with ease. Mulch function is superior to the previous OEM blades I had. 50 to 75% bulk reduction in one pass. Number 4. 810 LawnRAZOR Mower Blades. These blades are designed to give your lawn a perfect cut. They're a direct replacement for many popular models, ensuring a perfect fit. It fits a wide range of Cub Cadet and MTD lawn mowers. Check the description to see if it's compatible with your model. This includes several Cub Cadet models like the LTX 1045, RZT L46, and RZT S46, and many MTD models such as the 13AL 795 T058, CLT 46 CVT, and Z530. Replacing your old blades with these is straightforward. They're designed for a quick and easy installation process. Experience a superior cut with these high-quality blades. They're built to last and provide a clean, even cut every time. These blades have a length of 23.14 inches, a width of 2.38 inches, and a 6-point star center hole. The thickness is 0.1875 inches. What we like. This kit boasts impressive compatibility with a wide range of models. If you need a reliable mulching solution that works across multiple mower brands and models, this is your best bet. The toothed blades ensure superior mulching performance, leaving your lawn looking its best. What people say. These cut extremely clean and zero cuttings on the lawn surface. There is a serious improvement in the cut. It's much smoother, and more even, it's beautiful. They seem to last at least a season and I mow twice a week. Number 3. MTD 19B30005 OEM Mulch Kit. Introducing the MTD Mulch Kit, designed for 46-inch riding mowers. It transforms grass clippings into nutrient-rich mulch, promoting a healthier lawn. This kit ensures fast and effective mulching. Say goodbye to messy grass clippings and hello to a greener, more vibrant lawn. It's compatible with various brands, including Troy-built, MTD, and more. Check your owner's manual to confirm compatibility. The kit includes everything you need: 2 mulching blades, a molded plug, mounting hardware, and clear instructions for easy installation. With this kit, you can significantly reduce or even eliminate the need for bagging grass clippings. Spend less time raking and more time enjoying your lawn. Remember to inspect the blades every season to ensure they're in top condition for optimal cutting performance. This will keep your lawn looking its best. What we like. It's a complete kit with everything you need for a smooth installation. If you value convenience and a hassle-free setup, this is the perfect choice. It helps create a healthier lawn by efficiently mulching grass clippings, reducing the need for bagging or raking. What people say. It mulched my leaf great on the first run. I did not have to go back over any spots. I had zero problems with it clumping or leaving a line of clippings behind me. It mulches the grass into fairly fine bits, may an inch long, and the yard looks fantastic. The blades were sharp, and since they are designed different than the factory blades, they are straight rather than bend down on the end, so there's a little more clearance to them. The old blades used to hit a few things in the yard that I mowed over, but these ones clear everything great because they're not bent down. Number 2. Cub Cadet 19A70411100 Mulching Kit. Enhance your lawn care with our Cub Cadet Mulching Kit. It's designed to easily transform your mower into a mulching machine, creating a healthier lawn. This kit includes everything you need for a superior mulching experience. It features high-quality blades and a precisely designed plug for optimal performance. Installation is a breeze. The kit comes with all the necessary mounting hardware and clear instructions, making it simple to get started. It's compatible with a wide range of Cub Cadet models, including the Enduro XT1, XT2, and RZT series, and Ultima ZT1, ensuring a perfect fit for your mower. By returning nutrients to the soil, it helps create a greener, healthier lawn. Watch your grass thrive with finely ground mulch. This genuine Cub Cadet Mulching Kit ensures quality and durability. It's the perfect way to upgrade your mowing experience. What we like. This kit provides the genuine Cub Cadet quality you expect. If you prioritize a perfect fit and seamless installation for your 42 deck, this is the one. It's designed for easy installation and optimal performance, keeping your lawn looking pristine. What people say. The blades and discharge cover go on very easily. Have to make sure and get the correct blades. A couple different types of mounting holes for the blades. The only difficult part of installing this was loosening the bolts holding the blades. The blades appear to be not sharp at all, but that's just paint they put on the edge for safety, and it'll wear right off in use. A few leaves still get blown out, same as with bagger, but it reduces the bulk of them to practically powder. I've read some reviews saying the mulch plug didn't fit. Mine fit like a glove. This mulching cover comes with the required metal rod for the rear side mount and comes with a thumb no for easy mounting. Stay on the mower with no leaking of the grass clippings. The blades are the correct star pattern to avoid damage to the blade mounts. The cheaper universal blades have generic star patterns that will strip the tractor blade mounts if you hit a large rock. These blades are the correct ones. Number 1. Cub Cadet Mulch Kit 19B30005100. This Cub Cadet Mulch Kit is designed to help you maintain a healthy lawn. It's compatible with a variety of Cub Cadet riding mowers. It includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. You'll receive 2 mulching blades, a mulch baffle, mounting hardware, and instructions. This kit is perfect for several Cub Cadet models, including the Ultima Series ZTX 4-60, ZTX 5-60, ZTX 6-60, XT1, XT2, and various 1000 and RZT series mowers with a 46-inch deck. Check your model for compatibility. It efficiently cuts grass clippings into tiny particles. This process helps return nutrients to your soil, promoting a lusher, greener lawn. The kit comes with straightforward instructions for a smooth installation process. You'll be mulching in no time. This is a genuine Cub Cadet part, ensuring quality and a perfect fit for your mower. It replaces part number 19A30005100. What we like. This is an official Cub Cadet part, ensuring a perfect fit and superior performance. If you own a 46-deck Cub Cadet and want the best mulching results, look no further. It's engineered for efficient mulching, leaving your lawn lush and healthy. What people say. Earlier versions of this product fit poorly and sprayed debris on the operator. This version fits quite well on my Cub Cadet XT1 Series LT46, and is easy to install. Although using the mulching kit takes a bit more mower throttle to get through the same length turf, the end result looks better with no piles of grass to rake. This mulching kit fits great and is very easy to install. I would much rather mulch than blow the grass, and this works like a charm. Lawn looks much cleaner and nicer using this kit. The blades supplied with this kit are very sturdy and look like they will last a number of seasons. Installations was easy and straightforward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.